Okay, at this point is useless. This application is to use this to show you the idea of how to fight. But now we have to train to get the skill. The skill is the opposite. So now strike, and he's here. We can't go this way because this is confrontational. So I wait until he's straight, and I go like this. My move is actually this way. It's the same as basketball. You receive the ball like this. When the ball comes, you are like this. You don't wait for the ball to do this. And in our fighting, most of the external fighting is to hit. We actually see, I move like him. One hand, same thing. Can you see? At the beginning, this is the move, okay? So the next training is arm there, no move, that's it. So I learn like this. Now learn at this point, grab. That's the training. So watch. Here. At the beginning, miss, no problem. I cannot jump, okay? I cannot jump, and I cannot jump. It's sliding, 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 including, can you see, along the line. Don't go along the line. Now like handcuff. At this point here, can you see? And now here. Smooth. Only do this arm to get used to touch and slide.